The address book can hold the details of anyone you want to have in it, but particularly anyone who has a horse with you, an owner, a customer, etc. If you have your names and addresses stored somewhere else on your computer, e.g. Outlook or an Excel spreadsheet, you can enter them in bulk into this program using our Easy Data Input program, which is available for free on the Shaw Programs website. To create a new record, click New Name. From now on, you will be prompted to the next field for completion by a blue highlight. After every entry, you must use carriage return to move to the next field. Now there are different screens for company and person. Go to the person screen by selecting person and make a carriage return. This will automatically move you to the next field. Enter the first name of the person. You will note that the first letter of the first name has been automatically inserted into the initials field, and you can now add further initials. Insert the last name. Select Title from drop-down menu, or you can add a new one. If the person has an honour or professional qualification, insert it into the Post Name box. Select Gender and Status from the drop-down menus in the boxes. Note, once these have been selected, they will automatically fill in the address fields with the correct salutation. The next section to complete is, if available, the date of birth, which automatically calculates the age. Category. Enter what you like, for example, pupil, instructor, supplier. Contact is the person a client can give as a person to call in case of trouble. Riding rate. The data for this field is entered in another part of the program. You can display the date by first date or last date. Notes. Enter any note you wish in this section, which will expand to take the information provided. Proper case. Select from proper case or no proper case. When you change it anywhere in the program, it will apply the change throughout to any subsequent entry, which is then where it is applied. Open related files. This allows you to attach any file on your computer to the named person or company and then open it. Standard letters. This allows you to attach any standard letter from your computer to the person or company. Private notes. These are applicable to each person. They are really a large notepad for your personal use. They are not networked. Addresses. Complete highlighted sections as prompted. To add more than one address for a person or company, use the forward arrow or the Add Address button at the top of the address form. Copy. This allows you to copy and paste an address to another person or company. It's useful when entering married couples as separate entities. Emergency. The emergency number is highlighted unless you want to contact someone in an emergency. Locktel prohibits accidental deletion of numbers when telephoning from here. The remaining data fields requiring input are self-explanatory, but you must click the Select button if you want to use this address for a list. Note, clicking on email and website fields enables you to create an email or visit the web address. The email address will be saved for the email log. The address book can be searched by location or telephone number. Add Name to List button will be covered in a later part of the tutorial. At the bottom of the screen are the command buttons, including doing an envelope, exporting the name and address to another program, and including a picture. Now, to add a company, click New Name and select Company from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a new screen. Again, you'll be prompted to the next field for completion by a blue highlight. After every entry, you must use carriage return to move to the next field. To save the new entry and go back to the whole address book, click the Previous Record button.